This is the Lionel 464 Santa Fe Hudson. It was a locomotive that they made in the late 90s, 1999 in there, just as they were getting ready for the legacy. And it is upgradable there in its tender, but it just a beautiful engine here. You can see the firebox that's lit there with the red. It really is a powerful engine too. There's hardly any power on it, it's running. Great whistle. And it can go in reverse too. I hit it in reverse. Got the bell sound with it. It's a very, very pretty engine. 3462. The Lionel Santa Fe 464 steam locomotive.